Cardi. Cardi a party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Trucking in a lane. Drop the brain. One insane, insane.
Okay guys, so I'm trying out this neon wig and it's actually quite crazy for me. Like I don't know how I feel about it yet, so yeah. I'm just gonna do my makeup and stuff and hopefully I can come together. Like this is gonna be like a full get ready with me, like everything that I do. I'm gonna style clothes and stuff with this wig and the look. Also will leave the details down below of like where I got this wig from. She made it and like colored it and everything, so yeah, check her out. It'll be down below. So I'm just gonna take the makeup blur stick. And also you guys, like I've been having creative block with YouTube and stuff, so I don't really know what I want to do. And like this is not the only thing that I do. Like I think you guys know that I'm in school, but this is summertime, so I'm also like took a full-time job that my school offers, which is kind of, I don't know if it was the right decision, but they like give you free housing and stuff. So I was like, I want to live in LA, so I might as well take this opportunity to work and get free housing from them. So but I have no idea when my camera just got off, but I just changed the battery, so hopefully that fixed it. You know, sometimes you just gotta do things in order to get where you want to be. So I'm just gonna do both again, like do social media and do this job and stuff. Just gonna do what I gotta do, basically what I'm saying. So yeah, hopefully it actually pays off and like actually get somewhere. I need to go, like I haven't purchased makeup in a long time. I really need to go and purchase makeup. I feel like every time like I do a crazy color, whenever I put on makeup it just looks so much better because like I don't know, no one hair naturally grows like this, so like a natural look just kind of looks weird to me. But I remember when SZA did this, I was like, wow, this looks so nice, and I really wanted to do it. I feel like hers look more orange, but it's like the arrogance like type of color. So hopefully the pictures I take today do really well. And like it just, you know, like when you take pictures sometimes these places don't turn out right. You know, I really like chit chat videos way better. Someone who like is also trying to do multiple things at one time, like just to get to their goal, it is okay because it will pay off in the end. Literally it will pay off. Like me trying to do school and stuff while I'm doing this, literally it's been working, so I think I can do this too, you know. I'm just gonna keep doing multiple things. Okay, I'm taking my Kat Von D powder. I'm gonna set that. But like one thing my job has taught me is like being lazy literally gets you nowhere, because people go to work from 8 to 5 and stuff, and like I don't really do much at work, so it's just like I feel like I'm wasting my day. So it just taught me like to take my time seriously. Like every freaking second kind of counts. So like right after work I go and get ready to take pictures. I go and take pictures, and you know, just teaches me that time really does matter. You can't like just waste time and do nothing. I used to be like that. Like when I was in middle school, I did a lot. Like my day started from 5:30 and then into like probably 10, and I was doing a lot of stuff. So I really want to do that again. Like just, you know, push myself to do more. Like waking up and going to the gym and stuff. Like healthier lives and stuff like that. Cause I seen this post and it was like I weigh the same as The Rock. Even though it was like a funny post, like it was just like, yeah, like you can do the same thing as someone and like still not be in the same place, or you can come from the same place and still not be in the same place as someone else. So, but that's like what I'm saying. So just really work hard, you guys, like, cause discipline plus like having heart like goes a long way. Like having the ability to get back up, like it's a really true hustler. So yeah. And then like hopefully I can be able to tell like a story, like you know how people have like their stories and stuff. I hope I can be able to say like my type of story and, you know, have a success story, because like I really feel like it's gonna happen, just a matter of time, you know. Just need to be a little bit patient, because everything comes so quick in America. Like even our packages come like next day, and our like things come next day. So we're just so used to everything happening in an instant that when you have to work hard for something, it's like you know. can it already come? And I'm like, just wait, like, you know, things don't happen overnight. The world was not made overnight anyway, so it's just like, you know, be a little patient. Also, I don't know if I talk about the law of attraction on here, but that stuff really works, and I'm like so grateful that I found it at such an age that I did find it, because it really, really works. Like, I'm gonna tell you about a little thing. Like, this is kind of one of the extreme situations for me. Well, I'm just gonna tell you a few things how the law of attraction works. First, I didn't know how I was gonna stay here during the summer, but I wanted to, right? So then my friend told me about this, what's happening now, like the summer conference my school is hosting. It's like you work for the school and you get free housing, and you also like get paid for when you work. So I was like, okay, let me do that. I did an interview, whatever, and stuff, and I was like, I don't know if I really want to do this. And then I didn't get it. Like, they gave me like a denial letter, so I was like, I still want to stay here in the summer. Like, I never stopped believing that I wasn't gonna be here during the summertime. I got the position basically. So, like, don't ever think that. And then after that, like, more things started arising. Like, my friend was like, you can stay with me, to be honest, if you don't want to work here, or you can stay here. Like, I had two friends, so like, you can stay with me. I'm like, wow, you know, like, it really works. Law of attraction works so well. Also, another one is like when I'm running out of money, or like when I'm just like low on money, I just always never be like, oh, I'm broke. Like, those words should never come out your mouth. I basically like just say I'm getting to the money. Like, the money's just not there yet. I just don't know where it is. Like, I'm gonna find the money. You know what I'm saying? So, and crazy enough that I actually found money. Like, yesterday, I was not really, like, I was having a good day and stuff, because like at my job, I'm just on the computer or whatever. I can do basically whatever I want. So I was like researching something that I want to bring out soon, something that you guys will probably figure out eventually. But I had to go get something. Like, I had to go do part of my job, like bring someone in, and I don't know why, but it just made me like look in my pocket, and like, I didn't know that okay, so this is so hard to explain. So I had this jacket, and I never wore it for like a long time. So I don't know what made me decide to wear it today. Like, I don't know. And then I also didn't know what made me check in the pocket. So I checked in the pocket for no real reason. I didn't need to use the pocket or anything. And I found a $100 bill. I'm like, wow. Like, that's crazy that I just said, like, I'm getting to the money. Like, it's not a problem when I have the money. It's just not in my bank account yet, you know? It really works. A lot of people think like, whenever I tell people about it, like, they're like, okay, you know, and they're not believers, but it really works for me. So I'm just gonna keep using it, and if I can tell people, then, you know, ride along with me. Like, I want to see your law of attraction journey, because it will really help your story. Like, it just helps so much. I really like doing these chit chat type videos. Like, I feel like if I could just do that all the time, I would. It's kind of like therapy a little bit, because I'm a big thinker. Like, all I do is really think. I love to think and stuff. Like, I just love to be like in my head. And I feel like that's a lot of times is deemed as bad. Like, we're overthinkers. As long as you can control your thoughts to be like positive and stuff, I don't think it's bad. And even overthinking, I think it's really good, because it's like you're critically thinking. Like, you're thinking about something to the point where you kind of weigh all the options, you see everything. So I don't think it's bad at all. I don't know why we like, I think because we're so used to like, let's use these things so we can't think. For example, drugs, alcohol, things like that. Let's use these things so we don't have to think about what's going on. But I like to think about what's going on. I like to analyze my life and see like what's happening. Why don't I feel okay today? Why don't I feel this way? And not like shy away from those things. I used to like stay busy to do those things, but now like I can still stay busy and like think about like while I'm busy, I'm thinking about what's going on in my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm taking time out to figure out what's happening. Why do I feel like this? And that's why we like ignore all the signs so much. Like, we don't see all the signs because it's right in front of our face. It's just that we don't want to think about it. I think it's coming together now. Like, whenever I start putting on makeup, the color just doesn't seem still as bright. I don't know why, but I guess because it's like you're a character, you know, and you're putting it all together. Yeah, I really do have like, I have ideas, you guys, and I just sometimes like I'm also like afraid, like it's okay to be afraid of things, but I'm just like afraid that it won't turn out the way I want it to. Like I want my videos to be really nice, put together and stuff, and like well edited. Like I really want that, but sometimes I just don't have time to do that, and then like I feel really bad like when I put up stuff that I'm just like not so proud of. You know what I'm saying? So but I'm just gonna like start doing it, and like I'm gonna learn from what I put out and things like that. So stop stopping myself and limiting myself just so I can make it perfect. I'm just gonna start doing things and like learn as I go in order for me to reach, you know, the perfection I want. So people ask me why I do this. There's no really particular reason why I just put these dots on my face. I just really like them. So yeah, also like vlogs too. I would do vlogs, but just I don't do anything. I'm just gonna start doing them because like I go to work now, so like I don't do much. Like I literally go to work, come home, take pictures, go to work, come home, take pictures. Nothing special like at all. But I'm gonna start vlogging when I actually do stuff fun, or I can vlog when I go to work because that'll be fun too, because you know. Look, I think it looks a little weird. I don't know why. Let me see. I'll leave this part.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide.
Okay, so I think this is the finished look, and then I'm gonna put on the outfit so to show you guys. Yeah, and oh, the lip combination I have is the one I always wear. It's like NK Cocoa Praline NYX Lip Soft Matte gloss thing, and the clear lip gloss. So yeah, and the lashes I have are from AliExpress. They're like in a pack of 5. So yeah, I'm gonna try. I feel like I look like the old lady a little bit. I don't know, short hair, I'm just not used to it, so maybe I just need to get used to it. But yeah, and the color is like really bold, so this is what it looks like. So let's style our outfit. Okay, so the first thing I want to, okay, I got this purse I think I want to style it with. This is from Fashion Nova. I just got this in today, but it's kind of a different color. It's kind of like a bright, like a yellowish, you know, neon. Not mine. And then this Constructed for Women top. This is actually like backwards. Like the front is just like a regular zip up like this. I think I want to wear it like this. I like that. And then these like pants, and these are from Brandon Melville. They're just like cargo pants. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on to see how it looks and see if it like actually fits my vision. So okay, so this is what it looks like. I think I like it, and I'm gonna have like put the clip in. I got this from AliExpress. I got these glasses from Depop, so I'm gonna wear this, and then you can't really see the bar. This is what it looks like. So I don't know. Do you guys like it? Outfit? What do you think, Kalea? Do you like it?
Yeah.
I think I like it, but
I like it. I love it actually. Like it's really cute. Alright, I'm out of here.
Offset.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage. Signing my savage in the ass. High end cars and fashion. I don't eat pussy, I'm fat. I'm a blood, my brother crippin'. Bitch, I'm drippin', ho, you trippin'. Talk to waitress, I ain't tippin'. I like hot sauce on my chip. I pour the rubber off and I put hot sauce on her.